So what you want to do, right, is here is how it looks like. And this is the github.com. So once you log in, once you do everything, once you complete all the steps, this is what you should see. Now you should click here, this new button right here, and then give your repository a name, and it will check whether it is available. Now you can give a description, which is optional. Now you can choose whether you want it to be public or private. I'll keep it private for now, but you can also make it public. You can also add a README file, but that's something that we're not really want to do that right now. And let's click this button to create a repository. It might gonna take a while. And as you can see, this is the private repository. Now you can always change some settings here if you want to make it public again and so forth. Now, to upload stuff, you basically click here, either you want to create a file or upload an existing file. I'm going to click here, upload existing file, and then you drag all of the files that you want to upload, and essentially you can even drag folders, which will work just like a regular. So instead of dragging a zip file, you can just drag folders and files here, and it should work just fine. After you uploaded all of that, just click this submit changes button, and you're good to go.